Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the essential tools you'll need for this repair: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth for dusting off internal components. Make sure to work in a well-lit area to see all the small parts clearly. Start by disconnecting your Dyson V10 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure the vacuum is turned off and unplugged. Next, use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry off the casing at the back of the trigger. Be careful not to damage the plastic as you work your way around. Once the casing is removed, you will see the internal mechanism. Take a moment to clean any dust buildup inside using the cloth. This will help ensure the new trigger operates smoothly. If you find that the internal components are heavily soiled, consider using a soft brush to get into those hard-to-reach places. Now, locate the screws holding the trigger in place. Using your T15 Torx screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them to install the new trigger. After removing the screws, gently lift the old trigger out of its slot. If it feels stuck, double-check for any remaining screws or clips that may be holding it in place. Once you have successfully removed the old trigger, take your new trigger and align it with the mechanism. Before securing the new trigger, this is a great time to remind you that if you don't have the tools necessary for this repair, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the process easier for you. You can also request a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the right service tailored to your needs. With the new trigger in position, replace the screws using your T15 Torx screwdriver. Make sure they are snug but avoid over-tightening, as this can cause damage to the plastic components. Next, reattach the casing that you removed earlier. Ensure it clicks back into place securely, as this will protect the internal parts and keep everything functioning smoothly. If you notice any gaps or misalignments, double-check that all screws are properly tightened. Once the casing is reattached, it's essential to conduct a quick functionality test before finishing up. Plug your Dyson V10 back in, turn it on, and test the new trigger to ensure it functions as expected. If everything feels right, you've successfully completed the replacement. If for any reason you encounter issues during this process, remember, we provide quotes before repair, so you'll know what to expect without any surprises. This way, you can make informed decisions about your vacuum maintenance without the hassle of calls or travel. Finally, clean up your workspace, ensuring that no small parts are left behind. Thank you for watching this detailed guide on replacing the trigger of your Dyson V10. Enjoy your freshly repaired vacuum and the ease it brings to your cleaning routine. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.